You cannot see me. Yung husband ko mag-text talaga, very tihik. Roxy, come here, die Roxy, die Roxy. Do you want some bunsi?
Milk.
Yeah.
And shit.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Katatapos ko lang guys, wax my armpits. Marami akong labahan, guys. Maglalaba ako. And labahan ko muna yung I'm going to wash my mother-in-law's sweater because she had a lot of sweater that need to be washed. I noticed that every time I like going back to sleep and I'm always dreaming. I know that I'm dreaming because sometimes I woke up in my dream and then I went back to sleep. I'm dreaming again and laughing, and I wanna continue on my dream. I try my best to back to sleep because to go back to sleep that the dream will be continue. And then I was kind of laughing, you know. I was laughing at my dream. Anyway, so mag-ano lang ako, guys. Mag-iibot ng mga balihibo kasi may natitira pa. When you're waxing, not everything will be pulled out. Hanapin ko muna yung andito yun eh. Dito yung dirty area ko, look. Dito ko inano yung mga hindi ko na-close. Ay, nako. Hindi ko na-close. Okay. Anyway, hinahanap ko yung ano, guys. Puller. Ay, it's andito pala. Ito pala. Okay. So, magpo-puller lang ako yung mga leftover na hindi na kasama sa wax. So, hi, guys. Katatapos ko lang nag-film. Mag-change na naman ako. Sinuot ko lang ito. Kasi, gusto ko. So, anyway, guys. Binalik ko lang itong sinuot ko kahapon. Kasi, ganyan naman talaga ako. Balik na balik. Balik na balik. Pakialam ko ba? Hindi naman ito mabaho. Laban ko din ito. Bukas. Maraming ladybug na nakapunta dito ay. O dami oh. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, what is it? Nandun sa CR yung yanan ko, guys. So, mag-i-edit lang ako ng video while waiting for her, and then I'm going to do laundry. It's already 12:20. I think I have to eat. Kakain na naman ako ng lunch, pero mamaya na ata ako kakain. I-open ko lang ito later. I-open ko yan. Let's put this. Yeah, maaga kami bukas para ihatid ko yan siya. So anyway, so kailangan ko lang talaga pumunta sa Walmart kasi wala na kaming itlog at saka pagkain ng aso at saka pusa. Itong tignan niyo. Oh, tingin na naman ito. So anyway, so yun ang gagawin ko, and dito din yung isa kasi palagi niyang gutom. Kahit binibigyan ko na sila ng pagkain, even though I give them food already, iwan ko, parang mga gutom pa rin, parang walang kain, guys. Anyway, so yeah, so ito yung lipstick na ginamit ko, na ni-review ko. Hindi ako marunong mag-review, guys. So, guys, I'm just gonna do quick because I'm doing laundry also, her laundry, and just a very quick cover. I think I can put you here sometimes, right? You cannot see me. You cannot see me. Anyway, so I'm just going to get some food dog food and dog food. I guess I don't know if I'm gonna bring you with me, but I will bring the I want to I did my mother-in-law's laundry right now. It's running. and meron akong okay, forget it. At saka I think I'll have to stop to get some gas that tomorrow morning I don't have to. Yung husband ko mag-text talaga very thick. Okay, so yun. Love you. Love you. Oh. Cancel. Oh, tinitext ko yun din yung sister-in-law ko, parang ayaw niyang mag-reply. Nag-reply siya isa, pero parang ayaw niyang sumama. Gusto kong pumunta sa bear mountain, whatever. So, pero ayaw niya akong samahan. So okay na. Love you too. What happened to plans to go to Bear Mountain? Oh, my husband asking me. He's asking me because I told him probably I wanna go over there, but I don't wanna go there alone. So pagbalik ko kanina galing sa grocery, sobrang ganda guys. As in, sobrang ganda ng mga kahoy na ngayon. What's the problem? Anong pinoproblema mo dong? Day. Ano sa'yo problema, Day? Day, Roxy, come here, Day, Roxy. Roxy, come here, Day, Roxy. There is merong langaw na nakapasok guys doon. Yung langaw nakapasok kawa. Day, Roxy. Day, anong problema, Day? May problema tayo, Day? Day. Sorry, I hurt you. Sorry, Day. Sinasaktan ko yung tainga mo, Day. Di ba, Day? Masakit ba yung tainga, Day, na hinapak-hapak ko, Day? Masakit ba, Day? Is it hurt? That I do this to your ear, baby? Is it hurt? I can hear it, baby, look. I love you, baby. Tignan nyo, guys. Sobrang loving ng anak ko, guys. Tignan nyo. Sobrang loving. Come here, loving, baby. Come here. Come up. Let's go. Do you wanna go out? Let's go. Dili ka na ako pag-awsyon. Hala, di ka pag-awsyon. Hello, Dada, let's go get Dada. Do you wanna go get Dada? Dada, do you want some bunsi? Do you want some treaties? Let's go get some treaties. Do you want some treaties? Oh, do you want some bunsi? Pagkagwapa guys, akong pinanggawa. Pagkagwapa guys. I was worried yesterday about this dog. She been throwing up like crazy and no strength and doesn't wanna eat anything. But I'm happy that she did change. I'm happy that you feel good now, baby. Don't lick my freaking camera. Hi guys, he's trying to lick you. O nakikita ko yung mga bundok-bundok dito ngayon guys. Yung bundok dun. Sobrang ganda ng kahoy guys. As in, yung mga kahoy-kahoy. Okay, let's go down. London Bridge, let's go down. Down.
A moment even hope that I can feel you. I see you. All that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. I see you. For a moment even hope that I can feel you. I see you. All that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you.
Got home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got the food, the dog good food.
Yeah, and I got...
Eggs.
Oh, shit.
Got milk
Yeah.
and shit. You got shit.
No. I'm eating this pomelo and then squirt my freaking eyes. So
Coffee creamer stuff.
there is no. Why I need coffee?
Creamer.
There is creamer here, and there is milk now. I got milk. I got egg. I got roast beef.
You got roast beef.
$10 for tomorrow. And I think that's it. I went to ShopRite.
Got it.
I don't feel like going to Walmart.
At Walmart, well, some of the stuff at Walmart is good, but it's not always as good. Because, you know, like the cold cuts, only a prepackaged crap. They don't have a deli section.
Yeah.
Although I take that back. They probably do. When you get chicken and stuff, there's probably a deli section in there, behind that counter.
I don't know.
You know, where we get the jalapeno poppers and the chicken. They probably got a deli section back there.
See you for moment. You. See you. All that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Your voice is getting nearer. Heart is pumping, thoughts are running wild. We got a good thing going. Why we gotta feel amplified?
Hello. Sinong chikadura din? Ako yung chikadura din. Sige, punta tayo dun sa labas. Out this way tayo, out this way. Kasi si Roxy andun sa labas. Tignan nyo dito. Hindi nyo makikita. Chirok. Hindi nyo makikita. Sige, puntahan natin ha. Uy, marami pa akong labahan. Meron pa akong labahan dito. Tingnan yung itong ano ko. Ay, wala pang bunga. Hindi siya nagbunga, guys. Di ba, Mitz? Where's Roxy? Hey, what are you doing over there? Yung mga kahoy-kahoy. Oh. Ay, what is it? Puchush, ginoo ko. Kakain kami ng maaga ngayon kasi natabi niya, ano daw, na hindi daw okay yung pakiramdam niya. So, natutulog siya buong araw. And, ano tawag nito? So, kakain kami ng maaga. Anong oras na? 6 na o'clock? 5:30 na. Kakain kami ng maaga para makakain kasi hindi siya kumakain ng lunch. Nagano lang ako ng chayote at saka, ano ba yan? Chayote at saka lumpia at saka kanin. Yun lang. So, who wants to play? Who wants to play? Come here, miss. Let's go, miss. Come here. Come. Come here, miss. Come. Misty, come here. Lobat na akits. Lobat na akits, Rox. Si mama is lobat na akits. Come here. Oo. Okay. Lobat na. Where's the telephone? Ibalik ko to. Tignan mo yan si Misty andun sa hagdanan. Ay, naku talaga itong si Misty na sobrang clingy na naman. Ano si Misty? Very quiet, clingy. Roxy is very annoying, clingy. So, yun. So, guys, i-end ko na tong vlog. Salamat kayo sa panonood. And I will see you tomorrow, early tomorrow because it's Sunday. Bye, guys. Good night. Bye-bye.
Wear clothes you can see up to the veins.
Yeah, like naked one. You eat meal.
I like everybody.
No, but they are not.